You just spent 3 months building a feature nobody asked for, and your competitor just launched exactly what your audience has been begging for. Hits different, doesn't it? You're not alone. Most businesses are flying blind when it comes to understanding their customers. They're making million-dollar decisions based on gut feelings and boardroom assumptions. Meanwhile, your customers expect you to just know what they need. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tap into what your customers actually want using 4 methods that turn guesswork into certainty. Plus, you'll see how to do all of it with the help of ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace, so you're actually using these insights instead of letting them collect digital dust. Let's start with the method everyone knows but rarely uses well: surveys. The problem with most surveys? They're either too long, too complicated, or the responses just sit in a spreadsheet, which nobody ever looks at again. ClickUp Forms completely change that. You're not just collecting responses with it, you're turning them into action. You can create custom forms tailored to suit your needs. You can also make them dynamic, so questions adapt based on previous answers. Here's where it gets even better. Every response automatically becomes a task your team can work on. No more manually copying feedback into your project tracker and responses disappearing into the void. Grab the product feedback survey template if you want this ready to go right now. It tracks everything from overall customer satisfaction to individual product ratings, and you can switch between views based on what you're trying to understand from your customers. Your survey responses can now drive action rather than just occupying storage space. Now, if you want to gain deeper insights beyond surveys, consider conducting focus groups. This is where you hear the why behind customer decisions, not just the what. But coordinating focus groups can be chaotic, as it needs scheduling, taking notes, and ensuring that planning is airtight so nothing slips through the cracks. With the ClickUp Customer Needs Analysis template, everything about your focus group research lives in one place. Link your evaluation forms, upload your session recordings, tag the pain points that your customers really care about, then connect those insights directly to the projects they affect. You can also use List View for detailed breakdowns, Gantt View for planning your research timeline, and Workload View to see who's handling what. This way, your team collaborates on a single shared source of truth, rather than everyone operating independently. However, even group conversations sometimes fail to uncover all the insights, and that's when you need to turn to user interviews. One-on-one interviews give people permission to truly express their thoughts without worrying about what others in the room might say. But this method comes with a caveat. After 10 interviews, your notes are everywhere, and you're trying to remember if it was Sarah or Steve who mentioned that critical issue about your pricing. ClickUp's feedback form template handles this beautifully. Begin by structuring your interviews to gather the same core information from each participant. Then use custom fields in ClickUp to categorize everything, such as the customer tier they're in, when they last made a purchase, and how they rate your services, etc. Next, pull up the provider rating view, and you'll suddenly see which parts of your service are excelling and which ones need improvement. You start seeing patterns you'd never catch just reading through notes. And method 4 brings it all together. Market research. This is your satellite view of everything. What competitors are doing, where your industry's headed, how customer behavior is shifting, and most teams, they're absolutely drowning in tabs. ClickUp Dashboard pulls everything into one clean, powerful view, so you can see all your reports, insights, and data in one place and turn information into real, measurable progress. From tracking competitor trends to monitoring customer engagement and measuring whether all this research is moving your sales forward, ClickUp Dashboards lets you keep it all in one place, clear, connected, and hassle-free. You can even use sprint dashboards to track how much time your team spends on research versus execution, ensuring you're not wasting time only on analysis and more time actually getting work done. Because here's the reality about customer needs. They evolve. What customers wanted 6 months ago, they might not want today. That's why continuous assessment matters so much. Regular check-ins, consistent feedback loops, and always keeping your finger on the pulse. And with ClickUp's customer service project management software, you're set up to make this ongoing work highly manageable. You can delegate the tasks automatically, customize workflows so everyone knows what to do with customer feedback when it comes in, and prioritize issues that matter most. Plus, with over 1,000 integrations, you can connect your feedback channels directly into your workflow. Look, understanding your customers isn't some mysterious science that only big companies with huge budgets can pull off. It's about asking the right questions, listening to the answers, and having a collaborative tool like ClickUp that helps you use what you learn. Companies that build emotional connections with their customers tend to see an increase in sales. That doesn't happen by accident. It happens by understanding what your customers need and consistently delivering delivering on it. So, are you ready to stop guessing and start understanding what your customers truly need? Try ClickUp for free and transform how you understand your customers.